Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 35 remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday, and now includes the following counties: Comal, Guadalupe, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA, weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA, weather radio.
It's just great. I can't deal with stuff like this late at night. This is too much. I did not ask for this. I asked for severe weather last year, and I ended up taking it back. I did not ask for it this year.